Yon. So hello guys, on today's vlog we have this Sekonic Light Meter. So we have the manual I think it's L Flashmate L300 308S, and of course we have here the camera, our camera, which is the Fujifilm S5 Pro with Nikon 1755. So let's try to take some sample photos with our colleagues using this um, light meter. So we will try to use a continuous light with the light meter. So let's do some photos, taking sample photos, and with the camera, of course, with our camera S5 S5 Pro. So before we did vlog for this camera in black and white and monochrome. So but today we will do a colored one. So guys, so we're back for the vlog again. We have the Sekonic Light Meter L308, and of course our Fujifilm S5 Pro. So with a Nikon 1755. So let's take some photos with Tiki. So let's go. First, this is our lights in the front. So we shoot. Okay, so ISO 400 with 60 shutters. So it reads f4. So we'll make f4 aperture. So yun nga guys, today we have the Fuji S5 Pro. We'll take some sample photos, and again you will use the Sekonic Flashmate or light meter, which is the L-308S. Ito siya guys. Yan. So first, let's take some lights. Ito. Yan. Palaboy FW. Check the. Okay. 60 ISO 400 with aperture f4. So let's use f4. Okay. f4.
I have a question.
Yeah. Then 60. Then ISO 100. Okay. What's your question?
So, meaning, all numbers coming there will be set by your
Set by the camera. Whatever
that's
settings from
right.
whatever settings that you will use from your Sekonic. Actually, I set already the shutter and the ISO. So when
Same exactly.
yeah, shutter and ISO, when you click this
So-
button from the side, it will give you the aperture. So it will read the aperture. So let's try now. Okay. Iyon.
You want
But
some-
black and white. It's black and white. So
Alright.
again. Forward by. Want that? Okay. Okay. Yo. So let's take some colored photos.
You see Matt Damon? Matt Damon. Matt Damon. It's me.
Okay. Okay. Let's take again. Yun. Isa pa.
Please leave me.
Yun. This is the photo, guys. Oh, bye.
Number
What?
9.
More. Yun. So this is how you use the light meter. So just set your shutter and the ISO. I'll show you later how to set the shutter and ISO. Then it will give you the correct exposure from your aperture. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of the Sekonic light meters, you can visit our website www.avworld.com. And shout out kay Palaboy OFW. Check nyo yung channel niya.
If you are an OFW around the world, just check my channel. It's
Yun.
all about OFW,
OFW
life
life.
in Middle East, especially here in Kuwait.
Yun.
That's
So,
it, guys. Please subscribe.
hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay. Yun, so this is the light meter. So you have buttons here, mode, power, ISO settings. You have up and down, and this is for when you're triggering the lights. So first, let's turn on, and okay. So you have modes here. You have 3 modes here. For the light setup, you have continuous. Yeah, this is with the flash, and I think this is also a flash, but yeah, we're gonna use only today the continuous light. This is ambient light. So when you want to set your shutter, just press up and down. If you want to use, like if you want to make up your shutter, yeah, then this is how you select your shutter. While if you want to select your ISO, just press hold the ISO and use this up and down, like press, and yeah, and so you can change your shutter. And this is how you set your Sekonic. So you can set your shutter and ISO, then point in the person or the model or the subject, then we click this button, this one. So yeah.